Hello everyone, today I am sharing my favorite way to make Punjabi Kadhi Pakoda at home. The base of this Punjabi Kadhi is made with two ingredients, they are yogurt and besan, and it's spicy and so flavorful, and it has pakodas made with onion and potato and tastes even better the next day. So before moving into the recipe, let's welcome you all to our channel Pinch of Everything, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's start the recipe. I am showing you the easiest way to make kadhi pakoda. For that we need one mixer grinder. To that add 8 tablespoons of besan and 500 grams of curd. Now blend this mixture in a mixture grinder. You can also mix the mixture with a beater or with the hand whisker. But I feel it's the simplest way is to blend the mixture in a mixture grinder and you get the curd and besan mixture without any lumps. Now add some water. You need 3 to 4 glasses of water into the curd mixture and mix it well. Beat or mix well without any lumps and keep it aside. Moving on to another step. For that we need to take a cooking vessel and add 2 tablespoons of oil, heat it and then add chopped ginger and cumin seed. Let it splutter. Once it's done, then add the curd and besan batter which we have just made. At this stage, keep stirring continuously as the batter is added to get rid of lumps. Keep stirring for a few minutes until the curry comes to a boil. Now it's time to add some spices. For that we need 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi. Keep stirring it in between and add salt after the curry has been cooking for 15 minutes or so. While the curry is cooking, let's make the pakodas. For the pakodas recipe, click on the I button on the right side or check the description. I have given the link in the description box. I have made the separate video for pakodas, otherwise this video will be too long, and go check that out for the pakodas recipe. Let's make the tadka for the curry. For that you need to heat up a pan and add some ghee or oil. Once the ghee is hot, add 1/4 tablespoon of cumin seed. Add 1 or 2 dried red chillies. You can break them for extra heat. Once seeds crackle, add half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and turn off the heat immediately. Pour tadka over curry and in the end add some salt if you need. Serve Punjabi Kadhi Pakoda with some steamed rice or jeera rice. Some points to be considered when you are making for the first time. The curry thickens as it cools down, so while reheating you may need to add some water, and add the pakodas to the curry 10 or 15 minutes before serving it. I hope this will help you in making Punjabi Kadhi Pakoda, and if you tried this recipe or you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and on Moj app for the latest and easy recipes from my kitchen. And I hope to see you super soon with more interesting videos. Thank you and bye bye.